Happy Earth Day 2020. I love Earth Day. So for the next couple of weeks, we're going to be doing some investigations and some observations outside in nature. So the read aloud that I have for you today is called Nature Spy. You're going to be a nature spy. So be thinking of what you might go search for in the next few days. Nature Spy, written by Shelley Rotner and Ken Reisler. Nature Spy. There's our title page. And dedication. For Emily, my little nature spy, and for Linda, dream a little dream with me. I like to go outside, me too, to look around and discover things. To take a really, really close look, even closer and closer. My mom says I'm a curious kid. She calls me her nature spy. Sometimes I look so closely I can see the lines on a shiny green leaf. Or one small acorn on a branch. Or seeds in a pod. I notice the feathers of a bird, and then there they are close up. Or the golden eye of a frog. When you look closely, things look so different. Like the bark of a tree, or an empty hornet's nest, the seeds of a sunflower, or even a rock. Sometimes there's a pattern, like ice on a frozen pond, or a spider's web, or a butterfly's wing. Everything has its own shape, color, and size, including people. Closely at a turtle shell. Or a dog's fur. Or even raspberries or kernels of corn. No matter where you look, up, down, or all around, there's always something to see when you're a nature spy. So I want you to be a nature spy in the next few days, and I will be too. I want you to take with you a science notebook or journal or just a piece of paper. On one side of your page, here, I have the word written observe. So that just means to look closely at. So here, I'm going to write the words of what I observe, or draw the pictures with a label. And on this part, put what I'm wondering about. For example, let's say I see some worms. So here I'm going to draw the worms, and I'm going to use some crayon to put some color of what their actual color is. And on this side, I might ask a question about those worms. Something I'm wondering about, like curious about whether they have ears. And that might be something I want to look up and find out. Now, if you think this isn't enough room, you can put observe on one side, and you can put your wonders on this side. So what I would like you to do when you're done is get onto our science Facebook page, Mrs. Beasley's STEAM Dream, and I want you to post a picture of what you've done in your science notebook. I want to see what you observed and what your wonders are. So, happy investigating. See you later.